Most people think overspending is a math problem. It's not. It's a status problem. Your brain is ancient, and ancient brains were built for survival inside tribes. For most of human history, being respected, admired, or accepted by the group was not a luxury. It was protection. Status meant access, status meant safety, status meant survival. And even though the modern world has changed, your wiring hasn't. Today, your brain still interprets a status as security. But now, status is no longer earned slowly inside a tribe. It is performed constantly, through feeds, through signals, through lifestyle, through visible proof, the watch, the car, the phone, the apartment, the restaurant, the vacation, the image, not always because people need them, but because they want to feel valuable. This is the status trap. Modern life makes it worse. You are surrounded by curated lives, public signals, and invisible pressure to keep up. Every scroll becomes a comparison. Every comparison becomes a quiet threat to your identity. So, people spend money to buy proof. Proof that they are successful, proof that they matter, proof that they are not falling behind. But the status spending has a hidden cost. The more your identity depends on visible signals, the more expensive your life becomes. And the most dangerous part is this: comparison never ends, because there is always someone earning more, showing more, posting more, displaying more. So your income rises, but your peace does not. Your lifestyle expands, but your freedom does not. This is why some people look rich long before they become rich. They optimize for appearance, while real wealth grows in silence. And now, the system makes overspending easier than ever. One click, instant credit, buy now, pay later, fast approval, zero friction. The modern economy has removed the pause that used to protect people from emotional decisions. So the desire feels urgent, the signal feels necessary, and the purchase feels justified. But the result is the same: higher burn, less margin, less control, less future. Real wealth is not what you show, it is what you keep, what you control, what you build when nobody is watching. The wealthy understand something most people miss. Visible wealth attracts attention. Invisible wealth creates power. One buys admiration, the other buys options. So how do you escape the trap? First, separate utility from a signaling. Ask yourself, would I still want this if nobody ever saw it? Second, study your comparison triggers. Certain people, platforms, and environments inflate artificial desire. If an input makes you feel smaller, it will usually make you spend bigger. Third, build a private definition of wealth, not one based on applause, but on freedom. Less pressure, more control, lower burn, longer runway, more choice. Because the moment you stop buying status, you start buying back your future. The truth is simple. If your money is being used to impress people who are not building your life, then your money is working against you. Status is loud. Wealth is quiet. Choose carefully. Subscribe to Mind Over Money for cinematic content on financial psychology, behavioral finance, and wealth-building systems. And remember, the person who needs to look rich the most is usually the one who owns the least.